Alright guys, I want you guys to watch my ads now because you guys seen that ads are now on my videos. Hi guys, welcome to Chairs and Benches. I'm Nayoka, and as you guys can see from the title and my face, because I'm so happy right now, we're finally monetized. Yay! Round of applause. I worked really hard, and with the support of you guys made it happen, so thank you so much for getting me here. In this video, I'll be telling you guys 10 tips on how to get monetized through the YouTube partnership program in 6 months. Okay guys, every tip that I'll be giving you guys will be very honest, transparent, because I know that's why you guys are here. Now is the perfect time to start YouTube, so I'll be giving you all the tea on how I got monetized in 6 months. Alright, I want to thank all my subscribers, the new ones and the old ones who have been supporting me, so I'll be giving you guys another giveaway. I'll be giving 3 words throughout this video, and I want you guys to message me the 3 words in the chairs_benches on Instagram, and I'll be selecting 2 random winners for the person who could tell me the 3 words in this video. Okay, so you guys have to watch the video from start to finish. Please don't write the answer in the comment section, because if you do, you'll be disqualified. So link me on chairs_benches on Instagram with the answers to win your $50. This video is beneficial anyway, so get your handy dandy notebooks and let's jump right in the tips. Okay, so tip number 1, get started and self-promotion. All right guys, so I know for most YouTubers, the hardest thing is to just get started. For most of us, the fear of getting started and all the hurdles that might come really hold us back. You guys just need to start, jump right in, and you'll learn as you grow. If you're really passionate about YouTube, you will actually develop on the skill sets that you'll need to be successful on YouTube, but you have to start. If you don't start, you'll never really learn how to grow. And also self-promotion, guys. I see a lot of YouTubers who have really great videos, really great content, but you guys are not self-promoting. So you have to self-promote. Like, you have to use all your other social media, so your Facebook, your Instagram, your Snapchat, and you have to go on there and promote all your videos. Let people know that you started YouTube so they can subscribe. Tell all your family members and your friends. And also, I did something extra. I actually went ahead and go on vistaprint.com and I purchased some very cheap business cards. I don't know if you guys can see them. I had this one and this one. It's very inexpensive to get business cards. So everybody I interacted with when I went to meetings, when I'm at work, if I'm at the mall, if I have some kind of interaction with people, that's where I would take an opportunity to plug my YouTube channel and my other businesses. And sometimes it's very hard to, like, they might not have data or Wi-Fi, but giving them a business card that they could later go and subscribe is very essential. So that really helped me to get my subscriber count really quickly, because I wasn't shy to tell everybody I'm on YouTube and I need you guys to support me and help me. So you might as well get the support from the people that you already know, and then get them to get people that they know to get to know you. Okay, so step 2, be prepared for constructive criticism. When you put yourself out there, I know the fear of telling people that you're on YouTube would mean that they will be able to give you criticism, and sometimes it might not be very easy, because when you're just starting out, you might have some flaws. It might be things that is beyond your control, because you might not have enough money to purchase the equipment for lighting and audio, and it can just be your relationship with the camera and your engagement. So you have to be prepared that after you promote, people are going to give you feedback on what they've seen, and you have to take this into account. And also be prepared for people who may not have your best interests, and they might make a criticism that might hurt your feelings, but just be prepared for the good and the bad that comes with it. And how you respond and how you communicate with people is very, very important. So you want to respond as if the customer is always right, just as what we learn when we work for someone. So you just always be poised and be respectful, because with social media, everything is recorded. So once you blow up, you don't want anybody to have information or any kind of conversation that you had that was rude or inappropriate. So tip number 3 is to be authentic. I think this is a very, very evident across the camera. people could recognize when you're not being yourself very easily across a camera screen. So it's very, very important to be yourself. I know we get inspirations as YouTubers and creators from other creators, but it's very important to be yourself. And YouTube is such a huge platform that there is a market and there is somebody that could relate to you. So just be yourself, whatever is comfortable to you. And honestly, it's harder to be someone you're not than to be yourself. So it will become more difficult if you're doing content or if you're behaving in such a way that is not comfortable to you. So just be yourself. People will gravitate to you. People will like you, and you will get a genuine fan base when you are yourself. So be authentic, guys. So tip number 4 is to create watchable content. Okay, guys, so you guys need to create content that has quality or it's entertaining. You need to create content and view yourself as the viewer. Most people on the YouTube platform have a short attention span, so you want to make sure that you're creating content that the viewer is benefiting from. So as you're creating your videos and planning your videos, you want to ensure that you're providing information or entertainment that your audience can appreciate versus just posting random videos or videos that already exist. And even if you're creating a video that already exists, make it into your own. Bring something new to the table, because the YouTube platform has millions of videos that someone could choose to watch. And if they're watching your video, most likely they're there to be entertained or to gain some kind of information. So always keep your audience in mind when you're creating a video and how they could benefit from watching your video. You want to keep them on your video, guys. So, and always keep in mind, the first impression lasts. So if someone just goes on your video for the very first time, you want to grab that person's interest. You want to show that you're passionate and you take pride in what you do. So you want to make sure that your content has something that the person will gravitate to and will be encouraged to watch more of your videos. You might not know your niche in the beginning stages of YouTube, and you don't have to know your niche, but always provide the same quality or the same kind of pride in the content that you create, and people will definitely receive it and appreciate it. So tip number 5 is to have a goal in mind and be realistic. So when you're starting YouTube, I think that is a time when you'll research what is necessary to become a part of the YouTube partnership program. You need to set a realistic goal. Okay, so once you know that you need to make 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in a 365-day period, you want to set a realistic goal for your life. So for me, I worked full-time, so I only posted 1 video a week, and I made sure I was very consistent. So once you set your goal, like you want to become monetized in 9 months or within a year, whatever time that you set for yourself, then you'll have to make a plan. And once you make a plan, it will urge you to be consistent, because you know, if you are not consistent, most likely you won't meet the goal that you set initially. I actually have to become monetized by June on my New Year resolution, and I actually reached the goal right at the end of May. So setting goals and making a plan is very, very, very important. Okay, guys? So the first word for the giveaway is the word plan. Word number 1 is plan. So tip number 6 is to engage with your audience. Okay? So this is very, very important. You guys need to have a dialogue with your audience. You need to comment, reply to comments. I try to reply on all my comments thus far. Try to encourage them to follow you on other social medias, as you've seen that I've done. Also, you could do giveaways, and you also need to have communication while you're speaking to your audience through the camera. So you're gonna ask them questions, feedbacks. Actually talk to them as if you're talking to someone, because you are. You're talking to a lot of people. So definitely engage with your audience, talk to them, ask them what they'd like. Have them be involved in the process, because they're truly a huge part of your success. So engage with your audience. They are very important in your success. So tip number 7 is to create a pro YouTube channel. So to make your YouTube channel look professional. So you gotta work on your thumbnails, you gotta work on your titles, you gotta work on your channel icon. Everything has to look very professional, but that's a whole video within itself. If you guys are interested in me going in more details on how to create a pro looking YouTube channel, I could go ahead and make that. Yeah, so it's very important to have a pro YouTube channel. I'm still progressing as I grow on developing your logos, your channel banner. You have to be very good at editing. You have to have good edits. It doesn't have to be perfect initially, but you have to have good edits, good graphics. So the second word for the giveaway is logo. So yes guys, you guys got to ensure that your channel looks like a professional channel, a channel that people will want to stay at. If everything is not how it should look, people might not want to stay, okay? But this is something that you could develop as you grow. And guys, when you're making a professional looking YouTube channel, you have to keep in mind from the initial state about copyright. YouTube will not monetize videos that has copyright music. So, I mean, it might be monetized, but the person's music or song that you have in your video, they'll get paid for your video. So you have to be sure that you study and research a lot about how to create a professional YouTube channel. Also with your thumbnails, to get recognized in the YouTube algorithm, you have to have a certain look. There's a certain theme that most people who are new subscribers would click on, so you have to have a certain look. But if you guys want to see what I have done today to get my videos to be to make it to the suggested video section on YouTube, please let me know down below. I'm still in the process of learning, but I'm willing to teach you guys in more details. I'm willing to teach you guys what I know to date. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are interested in a more detailed video on that. So the 8th tip that I have for you guys is to use paid promo. Using paid promotions really help to boost your channel and get new subscribers. So once you've exhausted doing your personal promotion, you get all your friends and families to help you to promote your channel, you could go ahead and reach out to a YouTuber that has established a larger fan base and get them to promote a video for you. This might come with a cost, but I feel like you have to be very careful on the timing as to when you do paid promotion, because you don't want to get new subscribers to check out your channel when you don't want to get new subscribers to come to your channel when you have not yet have enough content. Remember, you're paying for this promotion most of the time, so you want to make sure that when the subscribers come over to your channel, that there is content that they can appreciate and enjoy. So you don't want to do this prematurely, but once you feel like you're at a level where you have enough content that people might be able to enjoy, now is a good time to reach out to one of your favorite YouTubers and YouTubers that has similar videos to the ones that you create, or an audience that will appreciate your content. So be very specific on who you get your promotion done through based on the audience that they have achieved. Also, on the point on reaching out to other YouTubers, it's very, very, very important to build relationships with YouTubers who are already in the YouTube family. It's a community of people and you could learn from each other. So I find it very helpful to build relationships with other YouTubers in the community that they are able to help you and give you tips, motivate you, and you could also do the same for other upcoming YouTubers too. So be a part of the YouTube community and get some YouTube friends. So tip number 9 is live streams. As you guys know, to gain 4,000 watch hours is really 240,000 minutes. So I wish I did this earlier, but doing live videos help tremendously to build up your watch time. So I would suggest, if you're trying to get to the threshold and you're finding it difficult, it's a good idea to do live videos. It really helps engagement too, because you're able to engage more with your audience. You guys, they could actually guide the conversation and guide the topics because they are able to comment and you're responding to them. You could also have them call in. So this helps your engagement, and chances are a person would stay on a live video longer than they would on a published video, because with a published video, people feel as though they could go back and watch the video later, while on a live video, it's an interactive setting. So people are more likely to stay on that platform, stay on a live video way longer. So take advantage of this. And this will help you to get to your 4,000 watch hours very quickly if you go on live very frequently, because most likely your supporters will watch your live videos for a longer period. So live videos is a huge tip. And tip number 10 is to make longer videos. I would suggest that you guys need to make videos that last for 10 minutes or more. For one, because of the ads. So for the giveaway, the third word for the giveaway is ads. Okay? Alright, so you need to make longer videos, 10-minute videos. A lot of people may be confused as to why people choose to make longer videos, but in reality, to hit that 4,000 watch hour threshold, if you're making videos shorter than 10 minutes, and most likely someone will stay on your video for a shorter time span, like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So if you are creating videos for 5 minutes, most likely someone will stay on for 1 minute. So you want to create longer videos to keep your engagement and your watch time up to get to that 240,000 watch minutes that you need to accomplish within the year, right? So make your 10-minute videos. Also, when you are monetized, 10-minute videos do get more ads on them, and that's where you'll make more money. YouTube appreciate videos that are longer than 10 minutes because it gets the audience to stay on YouTube platform for longer. So YouTube benefits, you benefit with your ads. So, and I do want to note though, you guys need to ensure that it's still quality content in your 10-minute video. So when I am planning a video, I would make sure that I am able to provide a quality content for the entire 10 minutes of my video or more. So don't try to just get 10 minutes without good content. So do try to make that timestamp, but still the longer your videos, it's the better for you on the YouTube platform. So those are my 10 tips on how to become monetized on YouTube. I do have more. This is honestly the 10 tips that I could recall as the most important tips that I had used to become monetized on YouTube. And I feel like if everyone was to implement these tips on their channel, then they would be able to become monetized too. So there you have it. YouTube is for everybody. YouTube is a huge platform and it's growing. So if you're interested, it's not too late. Go ahead, start your YouTube channel. Use these 10 tips and you'll see that they'll work for you. Anything else you think I'm supposed to say?
Watch your ads.
So you walk us up.
Watch your ads. Watch your ads.